Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 12T Pro and let me share with you how to clear your credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now we have to find passwords and security. Now let's scroll down and enter the privacy here. And in advanced section on the very first position, we've got the encryption and credentials. So let's enter. And here, basically, we have to take a look at the second section, and almost at the very bottom, we've got the clear credentials option. So simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. If you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential search has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got also the evidence. We cannot tap on this option, so it means that we successfully removed the certificates. So actually that's all. This is how to remove credentials in your Xiaomi 12T Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.